Hi, this is Pepecano, and this is my kitchen, and this is how I cook. When Easter rolls around, I think Easter Bunny. And when I think Easter Bunny, I think Easter Bunny recipe. And really, bunny has very little to do with the Christian holiday. But it is a very delicious meat that's very unappreciated. And I have moved from the traditional tomato preparation to a fricassee that I call rabbit in mustard sauce. And this is what I do. I start with salt and pepper on every piece. And then dust them with flour on all sides. I fry the pieces in lard because it adds a lot of flavor. Fry them in batches and brown them well on both sides. Take them out and reserve. In the same pan, I fry a large shallot, and just before it browns, I'm going to add 18 pearl onions and continue to fry. Next, I add 2 tablespoons of flour and mix it in real well. Continue to cook before adding a cup of white wine. I add half of the chicken stock and stir it well before adding the other half. At this point, I add 1 tablespoon of grain mustard. And once I stir it in, I return the rabbit pieces into the pot. I add 12 sage leaves and 2 or 3 teaspoons of thyme. I give it one last stir, cover it, and then put it in the oven at 375 for 45 minutes to an hour. Once it comes out of the oven, I'm going to take the rabbit and the onions out to a serving platter and proceed to finish the sauce. To finish the sauce, I'm going to stir in a half cup of crème fraiche, one teaspoon of chopped capers, and Dijon mustard to taste, about a half to 1 tablespoon. I check once more for seasoning, add salt if needed, and proceed to cover the rabbit with the sauce. And that's it. All that's left is to cover with chopped chives and serve. And here's my wife and I on Easter. Yeah, that's really good.
Yeah, and then wash it down with a little champagne. Happy Easter, sweetie.
Happy Easter.
No clicking.
Really nice. Thanks for tuning in. This is how I cook, but make this recipe your own. See you next time.